right. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to perform the air brake test. We're going to start with a safe start. So we're going to start the engine. Okay, we got the engine running. Now, you're going to look at your air pressure gauges. We're going to wait for it, the motor to sneeze. It should sneeze when we get really close, or actually to 120 pounds. 120 psi, we should hear the bus sneeze. Okay, the bus has sneezed. Okay, now we're going to turn the bus off. Now we want to turn it to accessory. Okay, now we're going to, now this is where you have to push it. I had a person fail for this, but here we got to. Okay, you want to push your service brake in, and we want to release the spring brake. Really shouldn't leave over about 10 pounds. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay, now we're going to push the service brake down, and we're going to hold it for 1 minute, and we should lose no more than 3 psi. Okay, we're holding it. Going to hold it for 1 minute. Okay, it's been 1 minute. We hadn't dropped below 3 psi, so we're good. Okay, now we're going to check our low pressure alarm. We're going to make sure our low pressure alarm is working. We're going to pump these brakes, and when we get down to 60 pounds, our low pressure alarm should come on right around at 60 pounds. So, okay, there it goes. Okay, now that's our low air pressure. Now, if this happens to you, what you want to do when you're going down the road, you want to start paying real close attention to your gauges. If it's not going up, you want to get off the road as soon as possible. Okay, now we're going to make sure our spring brake is working. We're going to get down to between 20 and 30 pounds, and then our spring brake should activate. Keep panning the brakes. There's 30 pounds. Waiting to make sure our spring brake comes out. Okay, spring brake's working. Okay, so everything's good. Now we're going to start it back up. And then we're going to let the pressure build all the way back up. You can ask to assist. You can say, can I assist? If she says yeah, then you can go ahead and rev it up. Get it to pump up a little faster. Got up above 60, so alarm went off. Now hit the brake. Now we know the service brake works.